Hey there, fellow viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence silently shapes our world? Today we're diving deep into the topic sparking intense debates and capturing headlines across the globe. The complex and captivating world of artificial intelligence. From powering voice assistants in our smartphones to making life-changing medical diagnosis, AI has undoubtedly become an integral part of our lives. But here's the thing, AI is far from simple, and its influence stretches beyond what many of us can imagine. If you are not keeping yourself updated with the rapid advancement of AI, you're undoubtedly missing a lot. In this video, we're exploring the vast landscape of AI, its rapid evolution, and how it's poised to reshape the world. We will dive into artificial intelligence's complex mechanisms and profound implications, unraveling its potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. By the end, you'll have a clear perspective on how AI is set to bring about groundbreaking changes that will shape the future as we know it. Let's dive in, shall we? Number 1. Mass content production. Imagine the immense challenge of generating a continuous flow of compelling content. Images, articles, and video to keep up with the insatiable appetite of the various digital platforms. Accomplishing such tasks requires a significant amount of time and effort. Thanks to the prowess of AI tools, these tasks can now be completed in mere seconds. Regarding written content, AI tools can craft articles, blog posts, and social media captions that cater to specific target audiences, drawing on data-driven insights. Visual content creation, too, is revolutionized as AI generates graphics, illustrations, and even videos with precision. This expanded scope extends to audio content, where AI can assist in creating voiceovers and podcasts. With AI tools, content creators can now efficiently tackle diverse tasks, freeing up valuable time for higher-level creative thinking and strategy. Number 2. Personality cloning. The next application of AI we have is personality cloning. Imagine capturing the essence of a person, their thoughts, mannerisms, and even their unique way of speaking, and then transferring it into a digital clone. This is personality cloning, and the digital clone is called an AI clone. Thanks to cutting-edge profound learning advancements, we can generate interactive deepfake applications, craft voice conversation tools, and even create virtual actors replicating a person's appearance and behavior. These clones are not just virtually created fictional characters, but are based on real people. Shocking to hear, right? You might wonder why we need to replicate a real person anyway. Imagine having access to insights and guidance from the greatest minds in history. These AI-generated personalities could become mentors. Consider the world of education. Personality cloning could enable students to engage with historical figures and learn from their wisdom firsthand. This immersive experience has the potential to make learning captivating and deeply meaningful. Number 3. Business automation. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized how businesses automate their processes, increasing efficiency and productivity. Through its advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities, AI can comprehend complex datasets and perform tasks that formerly required human intervention. This technology transforms business automation by streamlining operations, reducing costs, and improving decision-making. One significant aspect of AI's impact on business automation is its ability to process and analyze large volumes of data. Traditional automation systems often needed help to handle vast amounts of information efficiently, leading to delays and errors. With AI, advanced algorithms enable businesses to swiftly interpret massive datasets, extracting valuable insights and patterns that aid decision-making. This comprehension allows companies to optimize their operations and make informed choices, improving efficiency and competitiveness. Number 4. Perfect voice cloning. Another remarkable application of AI is perfect voice cloning. It refers to the advanced technology of replicating a person's voice with such precision that it becomes exceedingly difficult to distinguish between the original voice and the synthesized one. The technology can adapt to various scenarios and inputs, making it sound natural in different contexts. Whether reading a script, engaging in a conversation, or delivering a speech, the voice cloning technology strives to mirror the original voice's intricacies with astonishing accuracy that makes it almost impossible to differentiate between the real and the fake one. Imagine experiencing your favorite novels or educational texts with the voice of the author themselves, even if the author isn't available to narrate. AI-driven voice cloning can bring these words to life, enhancing readers' immersion and connection with the content. One exceptional example of perfect voice cloning software is Descript's Overdub. This AI-powered tool can mimic voices with uncanny accuracy. Overdub generates a synthesized voice that mirrors the original speaker's tone, rhythm, and variations by analyzing existing audio samples. Number 5. Virtual Assistant. AI's applications extend well beyond business and medicine. It's also harnessed as a virtual assistant, AI assistant, or digital assistant. Remember those tasks you used to rely on human assistants for? Dictation, reading emails, setting appointments? These once human tasks are now handled seamlessly by virtual assistants. Amazon, Alexa, Apple, Siri, Google Assistant, and Microsoft Cortana are a few common examples of virtual assistants out there. These are like having a team of professionals at your beck and call, accessible through a single command. But here's where the real magic lies. Virtual assistants are not just mechanical responders, they're learners. Over time, they grasp your preferences, refine their responses, and offer tailored assistance, making each interaction more intuitive and efficient. In a world where time is of the essence, virtual assistants emerge as indispensable aids, transforming how we manage our tasks, communicate, and organize our lives. Number 6. Future Prediction. The application of AI in future predictions is like gazing into a crystal ball powered by data and algorithms. AI and machine learning models use historical information and intricate patterns to make informed forecasts, transforming various sectors and resembling a modern form of fortune-telling. Think about predicting the weather accurately or foreseeing stock market trends. AI's predictive prowess brings this world closer than we think. For weather, AI studies past patterns and current conditions to forecast weather conditions, helping us prepare better. Similarly, AI looks at historical financial stock data, spotting trends that help traders make calculated decisions for maximized returns. But hang on, is AI just a modern-day mystic? Not quite. It's all about patterns and puzzles. AI pieces together ways from the past to predict future moves. Number 7. Crime Detection. With the increasing use of technology in our daily lives, criminals have also adapted and found new ways to commit crimes. AI has emerged as a powerful tool for crime detection due to its ability to process and analyze large amounts of data quickly, identify patterns, and make accurate predictions. This technology aids law enforcement agencies in solving crimes more efficiently and effectively. Using advanced AI tools, law enforcement agencies can identify doubtful activities through artificial neural networks. The Golden State Killer case, involving a series of crimes in California during the 1970s and 1980s, took a remarkable turn in 2018. Law enforcement employed an innovative strategy, uploading crime scene DNA data to a public genealogy website. Through genetic matches, distant relatives of the suspect were identified. With a blend of AI-driven genealogy and traditional research, investigators honed in on Joseph James DeAngelo as the prime suspect. His arrest in 2018, confirmed through subsequent DNA analysis, showcased how AI-powered analysis of genetic data and genealogy databases could crack long-standing cold cases, spotlighting AI's potential in aiding law enforcement. Number 8. Disease Detection. In addition to revolutionizing business automation, the influence of artificial intelligence expands into the healthcare sector, particularly in disease detection. The healthcare industry faces significant challenges in precisely identifying illnesses and diseases. Even the best efforts of physicians can be hindered by human biases, inadvertently leading to diagnostic errors. AI emerges as a beacon of hope, offering a novel approach to addressing these inherent challenges. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data and identify patterns, AI algorithms have proven to diagnose various diseases early and accurately. This early detection plays a crucial role in improving patient outcomes and reducing the burden on healthcare systems. Furthermore, AI has the potential to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of medical diagnoses, leading to more personalized treatment plans and improved patient care. Do you think all these applications of AI are helpful, or are they a threat to humankind? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and please press the bell icon to keep up with the continuous advancement of AI.